Hi guys, it's me again. Cooking my carrot and annoying orange salad. So I've just got to put some more carrot on. But just twirl that on. That's going all right. What else? Just snap that off. Put that back there. Oh, how about some olives? Olives are yum. Just chuck them on. That looks good. Then we'll put this herb, don't know what it's called. Smells really good though. Sprinkle them on. Then get some parsley. It's really good. Smells good as well. Yeah, I reckon it'll go good with the carrot. And then the Salt Bay. Bit of pepper. And then to put my orange juice on, which is the salad dressing. Alright, do you know what I like to do as well? I like to say jokes. Hey Lily! Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Aren't you glad I'm not a banana? Hey Lily, look who I am. Hi, I'm Lily. This carrot's good.
Why are you so glum there, Lily?
Oh, I'm sick of people calling me a carrot top all the time.
You're sure throwing those stones pretty far.
So, they're just stones.
You know what you should do next time someone makes fun of your hair?
What?
Tell them your hair is like sand and dirt. Mine is the color of rainbows.
Rainbows are just drizzle and sunbeams. That's actually pretty weak if you think about it.
I want to tell you a little story about grit. My ancestors were born in the place you now know as Afghanistan. In ancient times, we were purple or white, sometimes red, maybe a little yellow, but never orange. Never. We tasted bitter, but we were loved. The pharaohs respected my purple family so much, we were even chosen as noble companions for the afterlife. The Romans. They boiled us, sprinkled us with herbs, then forged the most powerful empire the world had ever seen. After the fall of Rome, we survived the Dark Ages, a time of witch hunts, druids, and pointy shoes. By the 13th century, we'd spread to the fields of France, Germany, and Japan. But you know what, Lily?
What?
It wasn't until the 16th century that an orange carrot finally cropped up in Holland. It only took one, Lily. A mutant. A transformation. The Dutch loved anything orange, so they just grew more and more of us. We were orange. We were sweet, sweet little mutants. So sweet.
That's cool and all, little carrot dude, but what's that got to do with me?
We traveled on some of the first ships to Australia too, Lily, to join our native carrot cousin Yulk, who'd been happily feeding Noongar people for thousands of years. And if you squinted your eyes just the right way, they looked a little orange too. We fought hard on those high seas, weevils the size of buildings, but we survived because we're strong. Orange is strong. You know who have the tallest, strongest population on the planet?
Who?
The Dutch, the first believers in the orange carrot. You think that's a coincidence?
But I'm not Dutch, I'm not strong, and I'm not a carrot.
Ah, yes. But you are full of grit, Lily. You know how I know?
How?
Out of all the carrots in the world, you chose me. I'm not the longest carrot, or the straightest. I'm lumpy and stumpy and strange. There'll always be ideas about the perfect shape, the perfect fronds, how gritty you should look. But it's the grit on the inside that counts. And you're packed full of it, Lily, because you chose me.
I love you, little carrot dude.
I love you too, Lily.